Welcome back, fam. I have the Space One, Q20i, H30i, all going up against each other in a wired sound test. Now, you're probably wondering, why did I go wired with this test? It's because you get to hear it in its most pure form. There's no app, there's no EQs. It's just strictly your device pumping that audio out to these headphones. So we're gonna get to hear how they truly sound. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. As always, all three of these Amazon affiliate links listed in the description below. I'm Dave Banter. Let's check it out.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the